Oh yeah. My view all week. In Hershey, it's hot out. I'm not trying to fucking move. And I keep on making these badass chicken wings.